Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Shoe Game. Today, kind of an unboxing. I actually did this video earlier and the video download messed up, so I got to redo this video. So I've already unboxed the shoe, but I got to do the video again for you guys. But today I'm showing you guys the Jordan 1 Retro. This is a 1985 cut of the Jordan Retro, the Rebellionaires. All right, so this is the box, and the box is nice. So I'm gonna show you, it's kind of, and here's the shoes. So we'll get to those in a sec. So you can see, nice and shiny. It's got like the graffiti print. I'm not sure what it says. It says, caution, wear them, stuff like that. And I want to show you guys the paper that comes in them is pretty cool. So obviously I'm going to keep the paper. I got it all nice and folded up like that. And so these shoes are actually inspired from the 1985 Jordan 1 Shadows. So they're retailing for $180. Online it says $170, but the price of Jordans went up like $10 on these. So it's they're actually $180 in store. A size 12 is going for like $350, and I mean these dropped last week. They only been out for a week. By the time this video drops, it'll be April, but they came out in March. So they came out last week, and here's the shoe. I went ahead and laced them because obviously I did the video earlier, and when the download didn't work or couldn't upload, I had to redo them, so I already laced them. Right, so they come with alternate laces. They come already, black comes on them, and then they'll have the little baggie with the white on there. Obviously, I'll show you guys how I alternate my laces. To give you a closer look, has that same graffiti on the leather here, and then they also have words on this. And so this material, and then my favorite part of the shoe, just like on the box, we got the red X. This material, it's kind of like a nubuck that's been sanded down. It's not your typical leather. So it's different. I like it. The inside just has the standard Nike Air. And it's very comfortable, you know, standard 85 shoe. This is a size 11. I usually wear a 12, but it's a size 11. I tried it on and it works. It fits because it's a loose material. It's not stiff. So I'm able to wear them. Obviously, I'm wearing them loose. So you can tell the laces aren't tied very tight. Again, that's the shoes. If I just want to go into, if you're on the fence about getting these shoes, what I will say is there's a rumor that they're only making 8,000 pair of these. So you talk about exclusive. If you are able to get them retail, I feel like these shoes you can't pass on. I do believe in like a year or two, they're going to be over that. They're going to break that $1,000 mark for resale. If you got a guy or you got a person that can get you shoes for resale, but they're not too expensive, I mean, I say you should get them. Again, rumor, they're only making 8,000 pair of these. That's not been confirmed, but it's just a rumor. So obviously if you're able or in a position to get them, I highly suggest you get them because they're gonna be super rare and hard to get once they're off the market. But yeah, I love these shoes. They're officially my favorite shoe. I'm gonna show you a video of my setup. I'm getting a sneaker wall set up. I'm gonna show you that probably the next video. I'm actually probably gonna record this the same day, just post it next week. But anyway, appreciate you guys. Shoe Game, the Jordan 1 Rebellionaires is the official name, but I call them the Rebellions, whatever. Love them. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I'm gonna keep the box. Specialty box. I usually throw away the regular boxes, but I'm obviously gonna keep the box of paper. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned next week for more episodes, and we out.